Okay, so welcome everybody one more time to another video tutorial. On this occasion, we are gonna answer a question, and it was from the one of the videos tutorial from BlueARP. Um, we have Nabi Said. Thank you very much for writing. He said, "I follow all the instructions. Seems like MIDI not coming out of BlueARP. I copy all your steps. Please help." Okay, Navi, thank you very much for writing. And this is the video tutorial you were waiting for. Okay. As you can see, we got the setup already. We got the drums running here, addicted drums. So drum loop. And we got patcher. Okay. And we got just one MIDI note right here. Okay. No sound. All right. Oops. Hold on. I don't want to get out of here. Okay. So if I hit play, only I believe the drum beat is going to sound. Yep. Okay. So probably this is what's happening right now to you. Okay. Now, all I did in order to make it work was the following. Go to BlueARP, double click with the left button of the mouse. And we go in here into these settings over here. On the output port, all I do is just move it here to 0, and that's it. Okay. Right now is the sector. As you can see, either or. Okay, why does it work? I'm not sure why. Let me check on MIDI options on the settings. We have microlight we got on port 1, so I don't know why it's working exactly. I don't have an explanation. All I know is that it works. So if it works for you, try it out. If it works, I will be happy that I help you. Thank God, right? Okay, so basically that was about it, because all the connection and everything, I explained it on the other video, and that's about it. You could do whatever notes, that you could change here, doesn't really matter. You could change the plugins, you could change them. I'm just using these as an example, but you could use any other plugins. Doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter the sounds. You could change the sounds. So it doesn't, it's up to you. Let's see what we got here. So basically that's it, Okay, so if I change again the port, I don't think it's gonna work. I believe it's not gonna work. There you go. So remember, output port 0, and that's it. It will work. Okay, so hopefully this video tutorial helps you. I'll see you then on the next video tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know. Any suggestions, any comments, thank you so much. See you then. God bless.